Hey Genius Junkies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to create your very own Canva account. If you're ready to start your design journey, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to canva.com. You'll land on the homepage where you can see a Sign Up button at the top right corner. Click on Sign Up to get started. Canva offers several sign-up methods. You can use your email, Google account, or Facebook account. Choose the option that works best for you. If you choose to sign up with your email, enter your email address and click the Continue button. Canva will send a confirmation code to the address you provided. Head over to your inbox, find the email from Canva, copy the code, and paste it. After confirming your email, you'll be taken to your Canva dashboard. Here, you can set up your profile by adding a profile picture and filling out any other necessary information. This helps personalize your experience. Take a moment to explore the Canva dashboard. On the left, you'll find all your tools, templates, and options to start your first design. Familiarize yourself with the layout so you can navigate easily. And that's it. You've successfully created your Canva account and are ready to start designing. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Happy designing, and see you next time!